everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Dramacool. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you have not yet, press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. In the web address bar, type in www.dramacoolweb.org and press enter on your keyboard. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in the official homepage of Dramacool. Click on the login button at the top right hand corner in order to end up in the login area. Now, to sign up or register for an account, click on the sign up link under forgot password. In order to register yourself, you can go ahead and continue with your Google accounts or type in a display name in the text box that you would like to use for yourself. Enter a valid email address on the next field. Now, retype in the password on the next field and click on the sign up button. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to create a new account for Dramacool. That was how you can easily sign up for Dramacool. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.